Okay guys, is cloudy weather at Canada, Saskatchewan at the Farmville. Okay, as you can see the clouds, it's attempting to rain at the other side there at the hill. See, it's raindrops there. Okay, so as you can see the weather. Okay, it's a cloudy afternoon around 2:45 or 2:40 p.m. See the clouds, windy, fresh air in the farm area with the green grass of home. See, nice weather, cloudy, windy, possible there's a rain this coming afternoon. So let's see the update weather of Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, area. It's a cloudy also. Okay, this afternoon. See the surrounding area. All it's cloudy. But in the north, as you can see, it's a nice bright weather, bright sky. Okay? But in the east, where is south, I see the falling rain there at the power plant. See the power plant. Okay, so that's it for now. So subscribe for updating, click the notification bell and subscribe for upcoming videos and latest video for this week. Okay guys, at Saskatchewan, Canada. Okay, you see the highway 18, highway 18 and highway 47. That's the area of downtown near in the house. Okay, see you guys for updating weather.